Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Roblox Premium with Paysafecard. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to the Roblox website and log into your account. After logging in, you can see here's a three-line icon here. Just click on it and now click Get Premium. Just scroll down now. Here you can see there are three type of memberships here. I'm selecting the $9 subscription and now click to subscribe now. Here you can see there are various types of payment methods here. Click debit card from here. Now you will see this type of interface. What you have to do, just complete this form, give your email address and the card information of your Paysafe card. After filling this form, agree to their terms and policy and click to subscribe to get the subscription. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.